Well, as you can see, I got out of a workout for physical therapy, but I would just like to say I came in here really messed up with a high level of pain, radiating pain down my leg. Wasn't even the source of the pain, but it became a major problem. I believe this is a week 10,
Yeah.
like 2 months, 2 months, 3 months. I am feeling a lot better. I'm pain free. I could ride in a car without worrying about the pain getting out of it. I can sleep at night, and it feels like a normal person. And you could just go out and do what you want to do now. So stick with it. Have some faith in the program, and it will be beneficial to you.
Thank you. First of all, this is Henry. He didn't even introduce himself. He's out of breath because we just worked
Yeah.
out. But this is Henry, and what's most important is that Henry came in with severe pain, a lot of pain. Um, when I asked him on his first day, from 0 to 10, with 10 being the worst pain possible, Henry stated that he was
Yes.
an 8 out of 10, which is pretty severe. And then he had the radiating pain down the leg that was really bothering him,
Yep.
a lot of pain. And we thought it was going to take a long time, but Henry actually has been pain-free for the last 2-3 weeks, and 0 in pain. And what's important is that Henry has an MRI that shows he has a herniated disc, right, at L4, L5, disc herniation. And a lot of people, when they hear disc herniation, it's like they give up. But Henry, through hard work, which you did work really hard, and you look at the sweat on him, Henry comes in here and I kick his butt, really, and
Yeah.
he does well. And through hard work, Henry has helped himself get pain-free. So good job, Henry, and thanks for the testimonial.
Yes, I could
Thank
be
you.
a weekend warrior again.
Awesome. Thank you, Henry.
No problem.
My name
Good
is
job.
Kino. I am a patient of Dr. Andy Wynn, and I just say thank you very much. His he put his help, try to help me out with my pain, my headache. My arm cannot lift in the last 10 years, and I have 4 discs on my neck sticking out, and I come here with his technique, and he helped me out just practicing everything he teach me here and at home. Just a few times, and right now all the pain will go away. My arm is normal now. Before I thought I cannot just move the mouse, and I cannot lift my arm up, and I get headache every day, and my eyes keep closing one side, the whole half side really hurt, really pain. And right now everything look normal to me, and I really appreciate what he been done. That's a big gift that God gave to me, and thank you very much. And he is very good guy and honesty, and have a high ability to help. And I have a lot of on the future, a lot of people will need his help. Thank you.
Thank you, Keith. This is Keith No. I'm really happy with him as a patient. So that's why I'm doing this, recording this, so that other people can understand that Keith came into the office with severe headaches, where it was affecting his personality, his sleep, his work. The headache was affecting his eye, and the whole right arm was really not even being able to use. He was almost handicapped because the amount of pain, 0 to 10, 10 being the worst, he was saying it was like an 8 or 9 in the arm. The headache was very severe. Every day he was getting the headaches, almost debilitating. And in his MRI, he has 4 herniated discs, C3, C4, C4, C5, C5, C6, and C6, C7. All were disc protrusions. And so it's a very severe case here. And yet, because Mr. Keith did not want to live with pain anymore, he did not want to live with not being able to use his right arm, he actually went home and did his therapy. He did it at the office, and with only 8 visits, we only had 8 visits to get Keith better and healthy. And because he did it at home, he did it at work, he is now pain-free with the headaches, no more headaches. Not every day. This went from everyday headaches to now no headaches.
No,
The arm is now, he's fully using the arm.
yeah,
The
right.
hand went from like an 8 in pain to no pain in the forearm and wrist. We still have a little bit going on in the neck, but like I said, this took 10 years to happen.
Yeah.
He had this problem for 10 years, and hopefully after a couple more weeks or months of working out at home, he'd be pain-free. Okay, once again, this is only 8 visits. So good job, Keith, and Merry Christmas to you and your family, and
Yeah.
way to be proactive and help yourself out.
Yeah,
Good
thank
job.
you. And I've been visit many office and many acupuncture and many doctor. It costs a lot of money. Finally, I got it. This is here.
We're happy for Keith. Thank you, Keith. How you on? Awesome. Thank you, sir.
I went.
Acupuncture did help, huh?
That's